Hey guys, I finally got my Limitless rebuilt. This is the one that was run over in my compilation video. Anyway, we're just going to do a shakedown pass here with it. GPS is on and testing. 6 miles an hour. She's picking up. Hear a car coming in the distance, but hopefully I'm out here early enough to avoid most of the traffic, so we'll see. Well, she sounded pretty good there, so hopefully did something decent for us. Pretty straight. I mean, I just trimmed it out on the way down there, so I was just holding on and the car felt pretty good. See what that ended up being. Alright, she's picking up 150. That's not bad at all for a first pull right there. She's not really even geared up too strong considering what it is. Let me pop the top, show you guys. It's Castle 2028 1700, of course XLX2, AGF-RC servo, a couple SRDs, 8600s, running on ADAS, of course. That's pretty much it, guys. I've got the best Ramjam all titanium axles, dog bones, CVDs on the front and rear. Ramjam pillow balls. You can see they have a hex on them right there. It actually makes them a lot easier to deal with if you're setting your alignment. Everything's buttery smooth as far as that stuff goes. I'm really impressed with the Ramjam stuff, guys. But anyway, hopefully we can work our way up, and stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.